I haven't seen the monkey since we threw it down the well, but it feels like only a matter of time before it comes back. This is me today. I pretty much lost all contact with Bill, and I'm good with that. He was kind of an asshole anyways. I don't have any friends, and I do my best to stay away from family, for fear that if the monkey returns, it'll kill someone close to me. But staying away from family, that's easier said than done. Hey, Dwayne.
Oh, man. Come in, come in.
Oh, no, it's cool. I gotta run early today. I gotta pick up my kid.
Wait, you got a kid? Shit, man, that sucks. Does it live with you?
No, he doesn't, but I get to see him once a year, so I'm taking him to horror heaven. Yeah. Roller coasters, I guess.
Once a year? Shit, man, that sucks. I bet your ex-wife some type of mega bitch. Huh? Huh?
Oh, no, the once a year thing, that was my idea. Well, it turns out I'm kind of a bad influence, you know. Here comes trouble.
Who, you?
But it's not like, you know, I beheld a pale horse and on it was a pale rider and the rider's name was, you know, Death. But, yeah, there has been some death.
Shit, man, that sucks.
Feel that parental energy transferred from you to me. Petey's been asking about you more and more, Hal. And it's breaking our hearts.
About me? What about me? Why?
Because you're his father. And he's doing a family tree school project, and like it or not, you're one of the branches.
Look, I care about Petey, I do. Like, I care about him a lot. Like, a lot.
Just now, when we were on the couch together, I took your power.
Whoa. I never said you could take my power.
It doesn't matter anymore. Ted has decided to legally adopt Petey.
What?
And once the adoption's finalized, it won't be necessary for you to see Petey.